Is gaining confidence now. They are starting to play football. And what I like about the new Kaizer Chiefs, maybe baye bakhuluma nabo after as loss bezininzi, because I see players they are working very hard, because in modern football now it require players sebenze more hard when they don't have a ball, but iba aggressive ebholeni ube humble without the ball. So Chiefs, the new Kaizer Chiefs are a star player, in a players that are willing to work. And then what I like baqale ngoNdlovu noMabhowa kwi-double pivot abaphakathi. So uNdlovu noMabhowa bacomplementana kakhulu because both bayasebenza. Because the only problem with xa edlala noNgcobo, uNgcobo it sounds like a lazy player. For me, uNgcobo is supposed to play number 10, because ebona uNdlovu ka idlala noMabhowa esuswini siba stable because we don't have a good defense, so pressure ibikho. Then the only problem we have, we don't have a proper number 10. We need to, with the next transfer window, check number 10, because I believe Umdu is not a number 10. Umdu is supposed to play as a winger, because what I like ayenzile namhlanje mayiphethe ibhola be more aggressive elandi players. So Lando ndimdinga yenze edlala as a winger, more of a half winger, because besidlala with Ulilepo no Silva, more of a 4-3-3. So besinida someone ozobafita ngebhola, but boys hayi ngoku ziyaperforma, even no-Bradley Tross baphakamisile. I was happy even na performance kaMsimango. And also I would like to say thank you to SD Wade, sporting director. Is really trying the past 2 transfer window. Bazamile ubhifa apha players, although it's very difficult to Chiefs to get players, because my negotiator his team is very difficult, because the prices onyuswa, so kunzima ukufuna ama-player. But into yozisa uThela Maliwa as a head of scouts siyayibona ngoku, because we have players ezifana noChislet, Abocele, South Africans scout from outside. So I'm really happy for Kaizer Chiefs. Let's hope izoqhubeka si maintain i-top 3 spot, but kusemninzi umsebenzi efuneke yenzekile. And another thing emele mhlawumbe ayenze next season, I don't think mele sibe emotional about indaba ye-coaches. Mele siface reality. These coaches are working very hard. We can't sit hayi masiyichithe yonke le technical team, because if basibeke ku-number 3 sisuka phi, yabo. I will suggest if kwenziwe i-reshuffling, maybe uthi Kendrick Kadzi abe yi-head of development, because une-background yosebenza with the-development. Baze na someone with like Steve Barker, someone ukwazi ukusebenza with average players and ne-players ezisuka ku-development, because we have a strong development yabo Dylan Shepard, Veli Khumalo, or David Matebula. Sifumana ucoach oza complementa ezo players, because le ndaba yothi sifuna uBhenny noPitso i-hype ye-media, then babe khona bazoba frustrated, because as a players Chiefs they are not kula level, and bazofika bene-ambitions ofuna uwin i-Champions League like ehlobo lika-Nabi, because Nabi as player bezikho ku-Chiefs njengoba be-unhappy, it's not like it's bad players, but yena bene-ambitions is different. And we need coaches sokhula naye like i-Pirates, like uJose Rivero. uJose Rivero come with i-CV low, willing usebenza with average players, development players, win i-domestic cup. Wow, i-Pirates develop, but the-Pirates is there now. So i-Chiefs need someone like i-profile ka-Steve Barker afika sebenze nalamajita sekhona, but we need siyikhile le ndaba ye-coaching. It's the only thing, because ilento yenza kuchinja isikhala. And another thing ngasendivala another downfall ye-Kaizer Chiefs ku-field ama-players kwi-positions ezi-wrong, because uLilepo is not supposed to play as a wing. Even today kangabe na game right, although he scoring, because yona i-advantage yakhe he can score no big game ayikhonhle. So I would prefer uLilepo adlale phakathi. I would prefer Umdu adlale wing. Because imagine your wingers, you have Mdu and Velepai as a half winger, but they cut inside. Because a typical Kaizer Chiefs winger is like Velepai. Unkumbuza abo Apiana le Jabupule, a winger that ikwazi ulanda abantu. And a typical number 6 Kaizer Chiefs ngondlovu, abantu abadala are willing to work hard. Not ama players afike abe lazy balena angabe willing ukusebenza, because the Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have those individual ridiculous low player that we have
100%.
stars.
Yeah.
We are playing Kasdala as a team. The Chiefs it look better, and the Chiefs my sense is into simple. We sing be under pressure. Sifuna ulinganisa ezinye teams. Sifuna build from the back. We look good. Even Peters is looking decent now because we don't complicate izinto. Even nomthetho mayingenile ngimthandile ungene akacomplicate izinto because players we need to understand their strength, their weakness, because no Brady Tross improve wasa understand weakness yakhe because it's not a fullback here up and down. Then umastership basics. Even today mna man of the match benzoyinika yena but andikhali noNdlovu udlalile because uBrady Tross ebedibene noMahlambi that ubrother kaPhakamani Mahlambi is a very good winger. And also Mandivala I would like to say sorry man kwi-TS Galaxy uchairman wayo ngiyamthanda kakhulu uTim Sukazi because uchairman that open akana side akana team athanzo ithengisela player uchairman that ombona iteam yakho uyafuna but the only problem ngeziteam ezincinci lento ibibethi Stellenbosch when they are doing well kwi-cup bane tendency yoyekelela kwi-league yabo of which ke ngoku it's not a matter of team inequality players they need to take their careers serious because chairman Stellenbosch TS Galaxy is working very hard so they need nabo bazibonga suppose unika abantu opportunities so yeah no man ndiyabulela futhi ndiyabulela
Ndinembuzo embili efuneka ndikubuza yona so uthi abaqeqeshi beKaizer Chiefs bangaba bacithwa ubani ufuna abe head coach phakathi kwa Cedric Gaze neKhaled Ben Yusuf.
Yeah no sekulate ngoku ukuthi sizochoose oyi-one because men basiyenze eqala because you remember with uRulani noManqoba after kuchoose oyi-one kuzoba kwi-tension so that's why ngisithi now is either baphathelwe someone abamrespectayo
Okay.
more of ukhona lo mjida babesebenza naye eMorocco Fernando da Cruz. They can bring Fernando da Cruz asebenze nabo or you can take one of them umzela uCedric Cards because une background development wakawasebenza nakwiBarcelona many teams so he can work as a head of development because we need a head of development a link between because there are players bezingconya na even development bamazinyuselwe but kumele kube kwi-link that umuntu that ozo communicate nez coaches at development that head coach idinga ama player njani esinowa prepare zezi position that esileka kuzo so I will suggest ba kubringwe another coach but mna I will suggest bangahambi because even nakwi goalkeeping department I see a difference ofika kwalamjita because Peterson ukhulile confidence so ka City lamajita so appreciate siyawachitha onke but into mistake esinoyenza basinowa continue as a co-coaching because the co-coaching for me is not working so I would like kuziswe umuntu that abazomrespecta I'm a big fan ka Steve Barker. Steve Barker is a very humble coach angafika asebenze kahle nalamatch and also Steve Barker uyakwazi ukusebenza with average players and sifuna ucoach ozaba patient with these players because the players at Chiefs ziyadlala 3 games is win the next games ze lose so you need to coach ongazoba frustrated because uNapi you can see ebe lose patience so because uNapi want to be kla level yo beats so if South no beats no Beni bazos frustrate as players so mna eyami opinion xa ndithethe reality I don't think into yowachitha lamajita is a good idea but ukhonyusha with the co-coaching it's a bad idea so yeah no
Umbuzo omgqibela uthethe ngeTS Galaxy ne
Yeah.
wathi kwathiwa ngoba umdlalo weNedbank Cup ntoni so ubona ngathi basayiwina neNedbank Cup ngendlela ngohlobo abadlala ngayo ngoba babhizi bayalashekela imidlalo yabo.
No xa ndilandela inhliziyo I would like uTim Sukazi ayiwine le Nedbank Cup because uTim Sukazi is my favorite chairman yamthanda kakhulu but kuzoba difficult because i-performance ye-league izobuye i-affect i-performance ye-cup although kuthiwa i-cup ayifani ne-league so mna bendinawuthanda ukuthi i-games zabo bazithathe serious ze-league kwenzela bathi befika kwi-cup babe i-momentum beyibambile but ngoku ingqondo zabo it's about i-cup final so izoba difficult and also i-Durban City iphakamisile kule season I think kwi-top 5 or top 4 i-Durban City iphakamise kakhulu and nayo anokhala kakhulu binoyiwina so i-final izoba nzima but xa nilandela inhliziyo I would like i-TS Galaxy iwine and also i-TS Galaxy capable uwina but ino goalkeeper man ongekho reliable and mawunokhipho njeyana hey izoba i-problem because sometimes igame ingaya kwi-penalties, sometimes igame iya ku-extra time, sometimes umele udecide something enze i-mistake yabo. So yeah, for i-Tex Galaxy I would like i-Tex Galaxy iwine igame yayo because uTim Sokazi ngiyamthanda kakhulu, and also next season anciphise ukuthengisa players, maybe ahambise one azama ueda noba ayo communicate with the Sundowns ne-Chiefs kulone players abhe fiscal, because now uluze top 8. The moment uluza ukuhlala ku top 8 i-relegation ivele nanini na. So we need chairmen ezifana no Tim Sokazi, we need this Stellenbosch, we also need the Cape Town teams that stable, treat players kakuhle. We angifuna mention ezinye teams and ngonele bazihambe because treat players kakuhle, treat his coaches. uTim Sokazi akagxothi his coach. uTim Sokazi is willing to sell i-player yakhe with any team. Akanayo lento yothi anzokuthengisela njengoma Mkhize ongazange athengisela i-Chiefs i-player uLitswalo 20 million wayomthengisela i-Tex Galaxy nge-3 million. Yena akanazi beef, akanazi politics, akana interest ye-beef. So I so wish i-team yakhe iqhubeka kakuhle, but for i-team yami Kaizer Chiefs I'm very happy. Le brand ngolu kakhulu.
Siyabulela ngombono wakho.
Nami ndiyabulela man futhi man.
Sukubenzolo.
Next time.
Enkosi.